In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.6, and today I would like to show you how you can manage app notifications from apps of your choosing on this device. Begin with opening settings. After that, you need to scroll down and click on Notifications and Status bar. Then click on Manage All over here and click on the switcher next to an app from which you don't want to receive notifications from, like App Gallery. As you can see now, all notifications from my app are disabled. In order to enable them, you can click on the same switcher one more time. But you can always go back, select one of your apps from here instead, and manage all notifications by choosing this switcher next to Allow Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!